Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Mazda 6 headlight with an easy method. You won't need any special tools, just a few common items from your toolbox. We'll go through each step clearly, making sure you feel confident throughout the process. This simple repair can save you time and money, getting you back on the road safely with bright, new headlights in about 20 minutes. First, let's get that old headlight out. After opening your hood, you'll find two 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire assembly forward. You'll then see the electrical connectors. Carefully press the release tab on the main harness and disconnect it, along with any other smaller wires attached. Now that the assembly is free, it's time to swap out the bulb. Twist the bulb housing counterclockwise to unlock and remove the old bulb. When handling the new bulb, remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it's securely locked in place. Make sure it feels firm and correctly oriented. With the new bulb installed, we're ready to put everything back together. Reconnect all the electrical harnesses to the headlight assembly, ensuring each one clicks firmly into place. Then, slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position on your Mazda 6. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight. Finally, turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly before you drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.